We all like the introduction of new technological innovations that make your lives more enjoyable and convenient. Your top tracks will always feature the coolest technology. It may be a fantastic notion to occasionally give your loved ones hip gifts that they will like. Based on our findings, we have compiled a list of cutting-edge and intriguing devices. These gadgets are great and cool because they improve each of our lives in some way. Make sure to stay tuned until the end to find out more. Hello guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today in this video, we'll be discussing some of the coolest gadgets to buy in 2022. And beware, these are not your everyday gadgets. Some of them are unique in their own way. But before we head to our topic, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more such amazing and cool gadgets. That said, let's have a closer look. Number 15. Withings Body Scan. You'll receive a Withings Body Scan if you tip the doctor's scales, so you won't be left on your own. One of the best features of a body scan is that it not only displays your body weight, but also all the facts that are present throughout your entire body, reveals the percentages of your chest, hands, legs, and other body parts in different categories, as well as your vascular age. The highest point of that is that it can also give you a neuropathy score. A bar that protrudes from the scale helps with all of this. Number 14. OralB IO Toothbrush. When it comes to our oral care, we occasionally cut corners. The truth is that our everyday toothbrushes do not offer adequate high-tech safety. The investment that produces the best results is worthwhile. This toothbrush has an incredible amount of modern technology. Internal sensors will track the movement of the brush as you polish your teeth and identify any spots you may have missed. Various modes exist depending on your mood. Number 13. Sonos Arc Sound Bar. Recently, the way people view movies has changed. No matter how or what you watch, it needs to have jaw-dropping sound effects. To have a better experience, your home surroundings and entertaining setup need to be improved. The Sonos Arc Soundbar would be the best option for this. The Sonos Arc is a sleek soundbar that provides quality surround sound without the need for an additional audio system. Number 12. Paragon Mini. Paragon's greatest muscle treatment is now available to you in a pocket-sized companion that offers unmatched portability. Paragon Mini is the most mobile massage equipment that goes everywhere you go. It's little yet strong. This has a grip that's more comfortable to handle and prevents wrist strain. It boasts a 150-hour battery life, which is more than enough for a month. Tension, cramps, and knots can occur at the most inconvenient times. Mini is right there with you as you veer off the beaten road. Put it in your jacket pocket or keep it with your tools for easy access for a quick leg or shoulder sweep when you need it. Number 11. Logitech Leacher Glow. The Logitech Leacher Glow is the best option if you can't bring yourself to buy an influencer-style ring light for your regular Zoom calls. With Logitech's brand new Leacher Glow, you can create a lovely glow at home to make your coworkers envious. They don't want to see you just climbed out of bed. In accordance with the color of your skin, you can also change the brightness and light temperature. Additionally, this is put to the test to make sure it's completely safe to use the lamp for extended periods of time. Number 10. Apple iPad Mini. Nevertheless, we find it quite odd that Apple copied several of the iPad Pro's best features, including its narrow bezel design and Magic Keyboard compatibility, provided them for a very reasonable price after dropping them inside the most recent iPad Mini. As a result, for far less than $500, you can acquire a device that enables you to FaceTime with pals, watch Netflix and Spotify, doodle, sketch, and design using the Apple Pencil. It seems a little strange that Apple chose to employ the same A15 chipset for the iPhone 13 Pro. Number 9. Google Nest Mini. Google is the first corporation to make artificial intelligence and voice recognition technologies accessible to all regular people. Currently, it is the best smartphone home technology available. The Google Assistant on the Nest Mini multi-purpose speaker listens to your voice commands. You may activate it by simply saying, "Hey Google" or "OK Google," and you can give it instructions to play music, occasionally create a reminder, turn off the TV, set your alarms, and do a lot more things. By attaching it to your laptop or mobile device, you may also broadcast the audio. Number 8. Self-Cleaning Water Bottle. Is your water bottle clean? It's possible that occasionally the bacteria or germs will remain within the bottle. You need not worry about it anymore because of the great new technology we have. This is an insulated water bottle which employs the UV light in its cap to disinfect both the bottle and the water. With an LED light ring around the cover, it also served as a reminder to stay hydrated. You can start a 1-minute process while drinking that kills all the bacteria and helps your body clean itself. Number 7. Ember Mug and Travel Mug. Every Brit takes tremendous pride in the idea of a hot cup of tea. But a cup of cold tea that has been left unattended is a disgrace to the nation and the Queen. This issue's elegant resolution is the Ember Mug 2. The Ember Mug links to your smartphone via the app and notifies you when the temperature is just right. Your cup of tea will always be warm and ready to enjoy as a result. Number 6. Xiaomi DZN400 6GL Mi Pump Air Compressor. Prepare yourself wherever you go. Don't be afraid to push yourself further if you get punctured. The high-precision alloy enables 150 psi of compression to assess the required airforce for both road bikes and more typical bikes. Check tire pressure and prepare for unforeseen issues. It's crucial to maintain proper tire pressure as the season and temperatures change. A dangerous pressure is one that's too low. You can protect your bike against theft in every way with the help of this device. Keep up the pressure. It's simple. When you blow up a ball, don't be concerned about pressure. While pumping, my portable accurately measures PSI. Movement with segments for continued use. The air compressor's motor design enables heat dissipation and vibration reduction for comfort while in use. It has an 18650 lithium battery that's highly effective and durable. It has a light built-in so you can use it at night. While the air is being pumped, the LED bulb produces light. Typical loading port, most smartphone data cables are compatible with the micro USB charging port. Number 5. Smart Wi-Fi Air Purifier. Using air purifiers is one of the best ways to maintain a clean and fresh environment in our homes and surroundings. Air purifiers have been in use for a while. In recent years, several air purifiers have been upgraded with Wi-Fi capabilities as a result of updated technologies. We can easily monitor the air quality thanks to the purifier sensors, and will be able to operate everything using a smartphone as well. The filters in place eliminate all airborne viruses, smoking and allergies, as well as other contaminants. Number 4. Floating globe with LED lights. The sturdy and long-lasting floating globe is made of high ABS material with a rubber coating and aluminum. Additionally, this fascinating tech device has an LED light feature that makes it look really cool when used at night when the globe is floating and rotating in midair. An excellent desk accessory decoration to have in the living room, office, bedroom, and desk. It's lovely and amazing, with exquisite craftsmanship and a contemporary design. A very cool desk accessory. Number 3. Nebula Solar Portable Projector. The installation procedure and the PhD level of technology required to set up the projector are the first things that come to mind when you consider installing a projector. Today, there is no need to worry about lengthy installation procedures because it's simple to use portable projectors like the Nebula Solar Projector. It contains an internal rechargeable battery with a 3-hour maximum runtime, more than enough time to bench watch a favorite show. Number 2. Apple AirTag. Though Apple's AirTag is at the top and is the center of attention, there have been various Bluetooth-enabled trackers available for quite some time. Whatever you're attached to can be located with the use of an AirTag. It is specifically developed to reduce unauthorized tracking. Your phone will recognize that it's traveling with you and send you an alert if someone else uses an AirTag to find your belongings. When AirTags attach from their owner, the alert is set off. For someone who frequently loses stuff, this is one of the smart accessories. Any iPhone, iPad, or iPod device is highly compatible with AirTags. Number 1. Video Doorbell. A video doorbell is an internet-connected smart doorbell that alerts you via your smartphone anytime there's a visitor at your house. Because a highly infrared camera and microphone are built in, the homeowner can see and communicate with the visitor. The battery life of the doorbells, which can be wired or battery operated, is up to 6 months. One of its unique features is that you can activate the built-in siren from the app if you see someone questionable. Faster speed and solid connection are both guaranteed by dual-band Wi-Fi. One of the technologies for smart homes is doorbell cameras. We sincerely hope you enjoyed our interesting selections of technological marvels, and if you've got your own list, please do share it with us in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing content.